All right, so this is a complete overview of section one of the junior seminar summer project. Section one is a summer school reflection paper. So this is an opportunity for you to reflect on why you had summer school. Maybe it was for just me, or maybe you had summer schools for some other courses as well. These are some reflection questions to consider that I have listed here. And I'll go through each one of them and just kind of give you clarity on it. What got me to this point? So why do you actually have summer school? What were the decisions that you made throughout the year that got you to this point? Were there personal things going on in your life? But whatever it is, like that's the question that you should start thinking about to answer. And you want to make it, as full of an answer as possible, because remember, this is supposed to be a paper. So what got you to this point? Were there certain disciplines that I lacked during the school year? What were they, right? So, what were the things that you did well? What were the things that you didn't do so well and created bad habits out of? Like, what were those specific things? You can list them out within your paragraphs, but once again, this is a paper. Is this my first time having summer school? If not, am I repeating bad habits during my academic career? If this isn't your first time having summer school and you've been in summer school previous years, you really have to ask yourself the question, like, what am I doing wrong? Like, how do I keep getting to this point? And what are some real changes that I need to make to avoid summer school in the future? Next question says, how do I feel about having summer school? So what personal emotional connection do you have to summer school? Like, is it like, it's whatever, I'm going to do it? Is it just like, something that, you just, you're actually trying to avoid, or is it just like, this is inevitable for you? Next question says, what does having to attend summer school say about me as a person? So how do you think you're viewed by other people, or even just by yourself as an individual, you attending summer school? Maybe when you see other staff members or other students and they don't have summer school, what do you think you going to summer school says about you? Are there other personal factors in your life that make you want to be in summer school versus spending time at home or with your family? So let me know in this paper, like, is there something that you're trying to like avoid? Do you not want to be home? Is summer school a place of comfort or whatever for you? Then last but not least, what could have prevented you from having summer school in the first place? Like, what would you do differently? So for full credit, this paper has to be 3 paragraphs, single spaced is fine, with Times New Roman 12-point font. No partial credit will be given. So you either have all 3 paragraphs, or, and you pass it, or you don't have that and you fail it. Definitely check your spelling, check your grammar. These bullet points that I have listed here, they are not, let me just show you here real quick. These right here, these bullet points, these are not separate, how can I say it? They're not separate paragraphs. They're just a way for me to help you to think about how you're going to construct this paper. All right. So once again, as always, I want to be able to show you where this is located in Google Classroom. So I'm just going to go there real quick. The project details are still in the project overview section. So if you want to go here and have this up as you're writing it, that's totally fine. But in Google Classroom, section 1, you go straight here, you click on the actual assignment, and you'll have a document that should open up with your name on it when you click into it to begin answering those questions.